Hi everybody, I'm Carrie Fennell with Prima Marketing Inc. We're here at our booth at Creativation Winter 2018 to show you some of our new home decor line. It's under a collection called Redesign with Prima. So now you guys can take your crafty talents and turn them into beautiful projects within your home too. So here I'm showing you some of our newest stencils. And what's cool about these is that they can go on individually or you can put them together. But another cool thing is in that picture, can you see the steps with the little tiled stencils on there? You can add such cool accents, and we made tile stencils to actually go with the most common sized tiles out there. So let's say you have existing tile in your home and you don't like it, you guys can actually stencil on it and make it yours and add color. So that is really cool. And actually, if you're thinking about doing a new project, you can buy the natural stone tiles and make little designs yourself with paint and then just slap a top coat over it and you're good to go. So I think that's really cool and trendy. So also I wanted to come around this corner here to show our really large stencils. These are for your walls. So these are going to be large enough to do a nice chunk of space on your wall. You can use these patterns with paint, but you know what you can also do? You can use our new plaster paste to add a little dimension as well. How fun is that? So you can create a beautiful antique look with no trouble at all. And you guys have already got the supplies in your stash, right? And down here gives you a little idea of what they're gonna look like. So this is one of my favorite patterns right here. So size-wise, some of them come in square, some of them will come in rectangle depending on the beautiful pattern. And I'll show you more of that as we move along here. Another variety of stencils are right here for you guys. And I just kind of wanted to give you a little glimpse of that. So this one we saw on the wall already. Here is more of the tiled look. So this is large enough to do a floor. People are doing concrete floors all over the place in their homes. Really cool. This is a real fun design here. This is actually one of my favorites. I'm just going to turn it around so you guys can actually see that. But how beautiful is that print? I've done this on a pillow and it came out gorgeous. And this stencil you might recognize. This is our weave stencil, which came in a 6x6 size. We actually supersized it so you guys can put it on curtains, walls, whatever you like. And another cool new stencil we just came up with, because we know sometimes you guys are really artsy and you have really cool ideas. Well, we did this to make things a little easier for you. We came out with an art wall collage stencil. So it has a mixture of stencil designs all in one stencil. So all you have to do is put that on your wall, start adding your paint colors, and away you go. And look what you can do here. You can mix and match the colors, add paste, add glazes, whatever you want to make it look aged or fresh and new. So that is really, really fun. I'm going to take you guys over this way if you want to follow along over here. You can see some more samples. Here we've actually mixed some of our stenciled product with brand new transfers that we're offering, which we're going to see in just a minute. But isn't that beautiful? And how easy. This is on a piece of wood. We've used paints, we've used stenciling, and we use our transfers. And what a gorgeous piece of home decor that could be for you. It's so easy. We have some more pillows to give you some ideas of how the stencils look with fabric. You can use your paint on your fabric, and then you can go over the fabric with like a clear wax to get that softness again from the paint, because the paint can harden it a little bit. This is our tri-fold canvas. So here's what I was talking about earlier with the collage stencil. So I've taken the designs and I've mixed and matched with colors. I placed it exactly where I wanted it, and this whole project came out great. And we topped it off with our brand new transfers, and it just added a little bit of fun detail and coolness. So I could totally see you guys who are so creative out there taking your mixed media skills and putting them in your home for home decor. I think it would be natural for you. And we're going to come around the corner if you want to keep following me, or maybe not. I don't know if Donald wants to run away right now. And here are our new transfers on poster boards so you guys can get them in real life. This is how big they're going to be. They're going to be poster sized. They come with all this gorgeous color and detail. This is great for furniture. This is great for making your own art at home for the walls. Or maybe you just want to put it on a piece of glass, because they do work on glass, by the way. And once you put these on, they are not going to come off. So so make sure you put them on something that you really want to put them on, because if you change your mind later, you're going to have to really sand hard to get them off. But I love that they're permanent like that, especially in furniture where there's a lot of wear and tear. And I'm going to take you along over here to show you even more. So here's a beautiful little phrase that you can put in your home about your family, or you don't have to. It's up to you. We don't judge on families. And then we also have some beautiful botanical images that you can keep together or separate, and you can make like really fun, like maybe a set of 4, canvas pieces with all the different flowers on it and hang it in your home. It would look gorgeous. Down here we have some more of our vintage imagery. So you're going to see these just as they are. They have the color in them, they have the big botanical feel, and then they have the old world charm of those cute little kids standing there. And that would also look gorgeous on canvas too. And then Donald just panned down to one of our signs. So we're going to start with family, and we're going to work our way up, because these are fantastic for making your own signs, which is really hot right now, guys. So you can take an old piece of barn wood, pallet wood, reclaimed wood, and make your own signage within your home. And we tried to keep along with themes that we thought you guys would appreciate and like. So we have coffee, we have welcome to our farmhouse, farmer's market, cottage. We even have something for the laundry room, just to jazz that up, because sometimes we need to distract people from looking at the dirty laundry. We need something pretty to look at, right? So we're going to have a little laundry sign we can make. We have bakery, welcome, farm fresh, anything, especially for those new modern farmhouse, peeps that that are really into that trend for their homes. They can make their own custom signs. It's beautiful.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!